How to unblock someone on Cash App. First, open up your Cash App. Look at the bottom right corner and tap that little clock icon to open your transaction history. Now you can scroll down to find a past transaction with that person. If your history is crowded, just use the search bar up top and type their name. For this video, I'm just going to tap on this transaction right here at the bottom. Once the receipt opens up, head to the top right corner and tap those three little dots. A menu will pop up from the bottom. All you have to do is hit unblock this person. It takes literally 1 second. The page will quickly refresh itself. To make absolutely sure it worked, tap those same three dots in the top right again. You'll notice the unblock option is completely gone. Perfect. Now click View Profile. As you can see, their full profile is open, active, and officially unblocked. Now, if your Cash App card is also locked up and you can't spend your money, click right here on this next video where I show you exactly how to unlock your Cash App card instantly. See you there.